Next we have here memory allocation. Next we have here memory allocation. Just now we studied about ID function is useful to know the memory ID, right? We are writing here a underscore list is equal to some items. Then we are seeing the what is the ID. Then we are writing b underscore list is equal to a underscore list. What is happening here is b underscore list will use a underscore list memory location only. B underscore list will act as a shortcut to A underscore list. If you carefully observe, what is the ID we are seeing here for B underscore list and A underscore list for both? That means what? Two names are mapping to same memory location, right? Though I am giving here B underscore list is equal to A underscore list, is it creating separate memory or it is using the same memory? It is using same memory. Because of that one, what is the problem is if I change one thing, A of 0 if I am changing, then though I changed here A list, back end same memory location, right? The reason B underscore list also impacted or not? Impacted. That's what we are seeing. B underscore list also what? Changed here. Because both are occupied same memory location. In order to maintain separate memories, what I can do it? Okay, we have to use here whenever you're creating the object, list of, you have to use it. If you use list of, then the memory IDs will be changes accordingly. Let us try to experiment this one so that we'll get more clarity. Okay, I'm trying to explore here memory allocation, how it is happening. For example, we are trying to define A is equal to simple 10, 20, 30, we are defining it. What is the ID of A? So we are seeing here, this is the memory location of the A. I am trying to go for B is equal to A and I am seeing the what we have in the B and we are seeing here ID of B, we are seeing it. It looks like it is same, right? Same values we have, same memory location also. Same memory location also. Now my question is any of the A or B, any if you are changing, both are going to be impacted because though two names are available, backend physical memory is what? Same memory. Anything you change, A or B, both will be impacted. For example, B of 1 is equal to, I am saying as 21, I am saying. Now we can see B changed and also A changed because both are having same memory location. If I don't want to change it, then what I can do? If you don't want to change it, then whenever you are creating here, let us say some object, use here list of A. If you use list of A, now notice idea of A is already we have. Then idea of C is it same or differently it is showing? It is different. It is different means separate memory it's created or not. As it is created separate memory, if I change here A of 0 is equal to 11, then A is changing expected, then B also changes expected. What about the C? Is it changing? No, it is not changing. Why? Because A and B are pointed to same memory location, but C is pointed to different memory location. That's what it's not changing. So at any point of time for any object, if we want to know the memory location, we can use this ID function we can use to know the memory location. To know the memory location. Okay, please look into this.